I'm sitting here at the AkzoNobel booth with Dave. Dave,
hi. How you doing?
Good.
Good.
So tell me, what is AkzoNobel showcasing here at CCIF today?
We've got quite a few things actually, but one of our main attractions here is the modern classic colors that have been formulated by Ken Diggett and AkzoNobel lab technicians, and he has his own line of colors. So they come in solvent-borne, waterborne colors, mainly for your restorations and high-end cars like that. But yeah, so we're showing this off. We also have some other things over here if you guys want to come over and have a look at that.
Yeah, for sure. Let's take a look.
Sure.
So what do we got here?
This here is our MPU. It's a manual proportioning unit. So what it does is it helps the painter when he's mixing clear coat. Clear coat can have to be mixed over the scale usually, and it takes time if you run out in the booth. So most painters will mix up a lot more than they need and create waste. This here, he can come out of the paint booth, he can take this and pump it with his spray gun underneath, and it puts clear coat in here in his gun, and he's back in the booth within seconds.
Yeah.
So you can see all of our clear coats are plural components, so that means two. So we have a hardener, and we have a slow clear and a fast clear. And you can control whatever ratio you want by these levers here. So this is awesome. Guys, painters that have this never want to lose it.
Now, could you give me an estimation on just how much time this saves, and rather than doing it?
Oh, well, it saves time, but it also saves material, because you're not afraid to run out. That's one of the things that a painter is afraid about the most, is that if you run out doing a hood by the time you come out and mix. So it might take you 3 or 4 minutes to use a scale. If no one's using it, this here is 15 seconds. We're back in the booth.
So let's talk about the paint curing process. Let's take a step over.
So this is another one of our new products. We've had this actually for a while, but we got hooked up with Tesla, and they developed this UV light for us. So as you can see, there's no wires to it.
Yeah.
And with our primers here, we can be ready to apply the primer, sand it, and be done in about 4 minutes.
Wow.
So we do areas about this big. The Tesla and Akzo looked at the average repair, and a lot of them are smaller now. So with this lamp and our products, it's amazing how fast it is.
And do you know how long that will last on a charge?
I'm sorry?
How long will the gun last?
Oh, this on charge? It'll probably last you all day, depending on how long you're using it. But I've used it all day and never had a problem with it, and very, very inexpensive to charge. So another great product. One of our other things, one of our management tools we have is way over here. So if you guys just want to come over, we can have a look at that.
Sure, let's keep going.
So you can see Pat here is one of our ACO consultants, and he's just going through this, and it's this is a business plan. This helps in production of on the shop. So the actual technicians can move these tiles, and everyone can see it. It's cloud-based. It's one of our great tools that we have, and it also helps. There's a lot of analytics behind the scene that you don't see here. Parts, how long it takes for approvals on insurance companies. There's a lot of different things here, a lot of information. So this has really taken off for us, and it's been a great tool on our management side, which we're a lot more than just a can of paint. So yeah.
So what can we expect from AkzoNobel just in the year 2020?
Moving forward, we want to work with our partners and make sure that our shops are healthy and financially stable. There's always bringing new products out. We're looking at doing some of that. We've got some clear coats in the works that we're thinking of bringing out. Our matte finishes are going to be coming from the States and be VOC compliant, so we're looking forward to that too. Yeah.
Dave, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great talking
Take care, guys. Okay.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.